And with that, let me be clear that there is no place in the PNP for personnel who violate the law. Aside from the criminal charges, administrative cases will be filed against the two personnel in line with our internal cleansing program. And this is our zero tolerance policy against erring policemen. And the Philippine National Police remains committed to pursuing justice, upholding accountability, preserving the public trust, whether in solving heinous crimes or holding in our personnel accountable. We will enforce the law fairly, impartially, and without exception, because we are building a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas that is serbisyong mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Serbisyong mabilis, the case in Giginto, Bulacan was solved about 12 hours. Medyo tahimik lang kami kasi gusto natin makuha ang mastermind. Diba? So, solve na kagad yun within 12 hours. Meaning, we have already arrested perpetrators under circumstances that they can be legally arrested. Yan ang serbisyong mabilis. Tapat kasi hanay namin naglilinis kami. At for sure, sana maramdaman yan ng bawat isa.